In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can start make high-ticket affiliate commissions even if you don't have previous experience, you don't have tech skills, you don't have product on your own, and you don't even need to close the deal. Curious? So keep on watching it. Hi, Vanessa here and welcome to my channel where you don't only learn how to make money online, but how to build digital estate so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. Okay, let's start with stats. Facts that confirms that we are dealing with a fast-growing industry, proving that opportunities are endless here. We are gonna deal with two industries. One, e-learning, which is expected to reach over $400 billion by 2026. And the second one, digital advertising and marketing, almost $800 billion industry by 2026. And you know what's insane? Not get involved with it now. With that being said, we are talking about learning the skill set necessary to dominate any niche you want to get involved and never go broke again. And as you can see, online sales and marketing is not only the future, but it's already the present. The global pandemic has accelerated online shopping by nearly 2 years, and experts are saying that we are not going backwards. So my friend, no matter what business model you choose to go for, you have to know how to stand out online because more than half of your potential viewers, customer, audience are on the other side of a tablet, laptop, or a smartphone on social media. Do you agree with me? The strategy to make high-ticket affiliate commissions online for beginners is very simple. You just need to 1. Pick the easiest business model to get started online. 2. Pick the best high-ticket coaching program in the market with a sales team to close the deal for you. 3. Cut out distractions and commit to the daily income production activities for 6 months to 1 year. Look, I cannot guarantee you're gonna get results because it really depends on your performance and your commitment. But yes, you can drastically change your reality in less than 1 year. In this video, I'm totally giving you the steps to shorten your learning curve in a way that you can start making high ticket affiliate commissions in less than 3 months, depending on you. Yes, only on you. How coachable and action taker you are. The tools to succeed will be all given to you. So here's the opportunity. You can make high-ticket affiliate commissions such as $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 while you learn the new skill set for this new digital economy. Isn't fantastic? Earn as you learn? Now you must be wondering how it works. And my friend, I'll tell you because sharing is caring. First, you want to pick one business model and go all in. No distractions, no looking for new opportunities. One business model to start getting results. In this case, we are talking about affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote other people's products and you get commission when your referral buys something. No, you don't need to close the deal. No, you don't need to create a product. No, you don't need to do anything else but bring people to the company's door. In other words, you just worry about digital marketing, the new real-world skill set. And from experience, after people decide they want to start an affiliate marketing business, they get stuck in which niche to be in, what products to promote. And I want to make it very easy for you. If you don't know where to start and you want to make high-ticket affiliate commissions, go for e-learning. More and more people are going online to learn something. And that's why you found this video, because you want to learn how to make high-ticket commissions online. Am I wrong? And here's how you can monetize from it. First, you want to pick an issue that you enjoy and have some interest in learning more about it. From there, you're gonna start creating content, answering people's questions online in the picked niche. But here's the thing, there is a limit of information you can share and know for free, correct? Of course, you can buy a cheap $97 training or even a $997 standalone course and get stuck with your own questions because you don't have the support of somebody answering your questions and giving you the insights that you need, which instead of helping you, it just overwhelming you. Following this train of thought, you want to affiliate with the best coaching program that can offer the high-end support that you as a beginner cannot offer it yet. If you can manage to answer general questions and send your audience to the right training for them, you only need 5 sales of $2,000 to make $10,000 a month. Does it make sense? Another thing that I want to point out is that your commissions are higher when you're dealing with a digital product because companies don't need to physically replace a product. There is no extra cost for shipping. They don't need to fulfill an order or even keep an inventory. If you still don't know what niche to be in, why not combine these two fast-growing industries? Promote a high-ticket coaching program where you don't only learn the new skill set, which is digital marketing, but also earn as you learn. You will spend a lot of time learning digital marketing and sales, so why not teach too? Actually, you learn faster when you explain something to somebody else. It's like a chemistry class that you go to lecture to learn the theory and then you go to lab to implement it. The difference is that instead of investigating food dyes in the sport drinks, you implement strategies to make real money online, which will give you location freedom, financial freedom, schedule freedom. But for that, you want to make sure that you are promoting the right high-ticket coaching program to the right audience. To be successful as an affiliate marketer, you need to be consistent with your work, but also you need to offer the best product or service in the market. You want to affiliate with a program that gives you and your audience high-end support. As I said before, it takes time and money to create a good coaching program. Here you see the difference of paying less and getting an ordinary or no support, and paying more and getting high-end support that will shorten your learning curve and avoid some headaches. If you want to get high-end support, check out the link in the description to get an invitation to our Facebook group community and welcome later. You want to make sure that the affiliate company will take over your leads, close the deals, and most importantly, over-deliver so there is no frustrated customers. And that's why it's so important that you use what you're offering so you know exactly what the offer is and who can benefit from it. I know it's not easy to find a good high-ticket program that pays beginners $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 plus incentives while delivering the best training. Since I'm always thinking how I can help you to shorten your learning curve, I'm sharing a program you can join that offers all of this and more. So just check out the free training in the description. Also, make sure to watch how to pick the best high-ticket affiliate program video for traits that you should look for when picking a high-ticket program to promote. We are so lucky to live in this new digital economy where opportunities are endless to go out there and make an insane amount of money without big investments and obstacles like it was before. So my friend, don't give up on what's proven to work. Make sure to share your love by liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you because my goal is to see you succeeding in this new digital economy.